Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display. Then let's scroll down again to localize the option navigation bar. And as you can see here, we've got the gestures, so the option we're looking for. However, before we'll set it, as you can see here, we've got more options to buttons, so you can reorder the back button and the recents. I just wanted to note that. So all we have to do is to tap on swipe gestures, and instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line, which is responsible for some gestures. We can enter more options, and here we can change the gesture sensitivity. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you'll be able to decide whether you need this sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center like that, and if you've got this arrow, you can release the finger, and the same situation from the left side. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you'd like to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, so elongate the gesture, and after releasing, here you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.